So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Suzlon energy share. So previously, when you've done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed all the important supports and resistances, and even in the Telegram group on regular basis, I have mentioned about Suzlon energy and what can be the near-term levels. So today we'll quickly have a recap of the supports and resistances, and we'll see in the coming sessions where the stock will be going. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so before we go to the technical charts, we'll try to have an analysis on the day-to-day wise deliveries. So we can see on 24 December, 50% deliveries were observed in the stock, and it has given around 4.5% positive movement. So upper circuit was observed despite the market fall. So little bit of swings are there. It is going up, again it is coming down. So it is facing a resistance near that 8 rupees level. But in the last session, it has comfortably closed above it. It is around somewhere 8.10. So seeing the deliveries also a pretty good delivery percentage is there, more than 50%, which is always considered as a healthy deliveries. And the stock also technically it has formed a very good bullish pattern. So that we'll try to find out in daily chart and weekly chart. So quickly let's go to charts. Okay, so now if you try to observe the weekly chart time frame, so you can see a very good inverted head and shoulder pattern is being formed in Suzlon energy, and exactly the stock is near the neckline, and even it is trading above the 200-day exponential moving average. Okay, so apart from that, can you identify any other important thing? Exactly, the moving averages also are coming very close to each other. So if the crossover happens, a double confirmation would be there apart from the inverted head and shoulder pattern. So what is the target for inverted head and shoulder pattern? So from the neck line to the head, we can project the target in the upside direction. So that will come somewhere around 12.5 or more, 13 rupees level. So that is also looking very good for the stock. Okay, so more than 15 rupees also it can travel looking at the technical charts. So weekly charts, the stock is looking very bullish. So once it crosses that 10 rupees level, we can see a very good movement in the stock. So keep holding if you're already invested in it. So let's quickly go to daily chart as well. Okay, so when you observe the daily chart, I've marked 4 important levels. So I've marked 1 support and followed by 3 resistances. So already, like, you can take 2 supports and 2 resistances. So the next immediate support, it would be somewhere around 8 rupees itself. As I told, it has crossed that 8 rupees, but it needs to obey that in the coming sessions. So unless and until it breaks that 8 rupees, we can't expect any further downfall. So if it stays above that particular zone, then first target would be 8.76 followed by 9.48. So these are short-term targets that you can watch out in Suzlon energy. So again, these levels depend upon market condition also. So how the market is going on. So if market also is in positive direction, so these targets can be comfortably achieved. So if not, then whatever the levels are there, you can add in that zone in small portions. So keep accumulating it. So larger time frame, we are seeing a very good pattern. If breakout happens, you will expect a very good uptrend. So keep holding. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.